I have with me TMC spokesperson. I have with me Trinamool Congress spokesperson Derek O'Brien. Sir, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha, drawing a comparison between Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, has said that perhaps Tamil Nadu is more developed in all aspects than Gujarat, and it's perhaps a myth all about the development and the prosperity in Gujarat. It's more focused on marketing. Modi has focused more on marketing than on the real core issue of development. Sir, do you second her opinion on this?
No, it's no question of seconding an opinion or proposing an opinion. These are the facts. The fact is that there are many Indian states far ahead of Gujarat. Gujarat is focusing now on the FAF, not the facts. So let me give you some clear-cut facts. Gujarat, infant mortality rate, which one is better? Gujarat or West Bengal? West Bengal is better. 31-42 to Gujarat. Maternal mortality ratio, which is better? Bengal to Gujarat. School dropout, less school dropout in Bengal compared to Gujarat. Household access to safe drinking water, which is better? Bengal numbers are better than Gujarat. Growth in revenue collection, Bengal is 31% growth, Gujarat is less than 15% growth. And the other reality about Gujarat is, if you look at the growth rate of Gujarat in the decade of the 80s, growing at about 15%. Decade of the 90s, growing at about 13%. And in the current decade, growing at sub 10%. So Gujarat has already had a high trajectory of growth. And that's what we are trying to say. Please do not get carried away with the FAF. Look at the facts. If you look at the facts, you will realize that there are many states which are doing far better than Gujarat.
So yesterday, in a campaign that Rajnath Singh had held in Birbhum, he criticized 34 years of regime of CPI, but he also said at the same time that people were holding a lot of expectations from TMC, but TMC has failed as far as governance in West Bengal is concerned. So is it BJP's way to divert attention and undermine TMC's achievements?
TMC's achievements are being rewarded as we speak because people of Bengal have started voting today. We will talk again on May the 16th. We have 19 Lok Sabha seats. Our belief is we are fighting alone, without Congress, against the BJP and the left. So, we believe that people will bless us on the 16th of May. So no big talk from us before the 16th of May. But we are absolutely confident that that number of 19 will be going upwards before the 16th of May. One more important point. Congress and BJP are trying to trivialize this election. They're trying to divert the attention from the main issues. There are main issues of what is, let me give you an example, 5-6 issues. We don't have the time to talk about so many issues. Let's talk about one issue, women's reservation. BJP is committed to women's reservation. They say 33% in the manifesto. Congress is committed to women's reservation. They say 33% in the manifesto. Trinamool wants women's reservation. We also say 33%. But here's the difference. Check out the BJP candidates and find out what is the percentage of women who have they given their tickets to. 8%. Congress have given women tickets 15%. Trinamool have given 27%. We don't only write in the manifesto.
That was TMC spokesperson Derek O'Brien hitting out at Narendra Modi's claims of development and prosperity, also at the same time saying that this perhaps many other states in India is more well developed than Gujarat. It's actually banking on FAFs than on facts. And when you're voting, keep in mind the trajectory of development in Gujarat in the last few years. With camera person Sudarshan in Kolkata, Samya Kapoor.